Hey. Oh my ego. Hi, shop. This one don't enter. Oh my ego. Oh my ego. Ticket in my ego. This one don't enter. Ticket in my ego. Oh my ego. Why now? Why did you people cut my game? What is all this now? Eh? Can they just do last minute miracle? Eh? What is it? Every time cutting one. Every time I'll be trying to elevate, but the devil will be behind me, trying to pull me down. Poverty, leave me alone, oh. Leave me alone, oh. Hi. Oh my God. Bia? This witch, what is it? What is it?
Excuse me.
Are you sure you're not the one stopping me from winning? You don't get what you want to tell me. I can't get in here.
Win what? What do you want to win? Your mates are outside, hustling to make money. You want free money.
Hi.
You want to use 100 naira to win 27 million.
Hi.
Who does that?
Anachi, what do you want?
I've told you many times to take me to my mother. Because I know you're not my father. I know very well that you're not my father.
And what is that supposed to mean? What is that supposed to mean? This thing that you just said now, what are you trying to say?
I'm trying to say you should take me to my mother. Or tell me who she is. Tell me where she is. Let me go there. Because I have rejected you as my father. And I've refused to be your daughter.
I knew it. You are the reason for all my misfortune. You are the one giving the devil information against me. Yes! You don't get what you want to tell me, oh. And now, they have sent you to take away my peace. It will not work for you, oh. You see you? It will not work for you.
Let me tell you something you don't know. There is no peace for the wicked. If you don't take me to my mother, there won't be peace for you in this house. Yes.
If I don't take you to... I don't want to show where the band they are for. Look at you. Telling me that there will not be peace for the wicked. So, I'm not the wicked man, Abi. You are lucky I did not grab you. I would have shown you shege. Nekote, winch. I've always known. Looking at you, you are not what I ordered for. I don't want to show where the band they are for. I didn't even know where you came in here from. Nonsense. I will deal with you. Oh, come on again, Ona. I go show you Pepe. Don't worry. Amarachi, don't worry.
What I know is that there will be war in this house. Since people don't want to respect my wish, there will be war in this house.
Amarachi, what is it again?
What is it, you two?
Who are you declaring
What is it, you two? What is it?
Amarachi.
You're still calling me that Amarachi. Are you even the one that gave me that Amarachi?
Who are you declaring war for?
How many times have I warned you people to stop calling me Amarachi?
Is your name not Amarachi?
Is my name not also Perpetua? I've told you people to start calling me my English name, Perpetua. Is it hard for you?
But Amarachi is a beautiful name. It means...
I don't want to know the meaning. Respect my wish. Call me my English name. Stop calling me Amarachi.
Hey. What is wrong with this girl? Eh? Why is she suddenly so aggressive and so rebellious?
Just speaking English.
Enokwa. Enwe mwa. Ibe kwe nwa mefo. Chimo. Hey! Chisoba.
People go.
She be troublemaker number one. Amarachi.
Ibekwe. Wakwe, what is it? Why are you shouting my name like that? What is it?
Ibekwe, can you believe that it is only this? Ibekwe, see, I can't believe it. That only one game caught that ticket. Eh? I cannot believe it.
They even talk. They talk. Only that team now cut my ticket. Only that team. Only that nonsense, useless people who I don't even know why I go play them. Now then cut my money.
Who won't even believe that team wouldn't win that people? But Ibekwe, see, why I'm calling you is that
590,000.
Sorry.
Nene Kolo, you just cut like that.
Sorry.
Eh?
Sorry. But that is why I came to see you. I actually won my own. See it.
Eh?
Yes.
You won?
Look at it now. When I went to play, those team that got your own ticket, you know, they are the first one that played. So before then, I went there and they have started. So they removed it from my own, and now I won 490.
Amen! Jesus! Hey!
Calm down.
I said it! What? I said it! There must be somebody giving the devil information against me. Oh, when I want to question about me. I said it now. This thing is forces.
Forces?
Yes, they are forces.
Don't say that.
How do you explain this? I was the one that predicted this game. With our brain, I played it. I did not win, and you won.
Hey, it's my luck.
And you want it? It's your luck.
Yeah.
Hey! Hey!
Don't say, but I won. So that it's maybe
You won 490.
Yes.
Hey!
It's okay. Ibekwe. See, it's okay. I came to inquire from you. Have you played another game? Like, have you forecast another game for today so that I can go and play? So even if you don't win, I will now win again.
Wait. Owakwe. Huh? Was that the reason you called me back? For me to give you another game?
Yes, now it's investment so that we can invest more.
Hey! Oh, I said it. Owakwe, are you sure you are not the one giving the devil information against me? Owakwe, are you sure you are not the one? Because how can you say this kind of thing? He bought him to name something. You didn't even call me to give me. Tell him time now.
That is what I'm saying. I have plans for you. I will go to Madam Original's bar. You eat in Kobe, drink anything. 1 crate. Okay, can you finish 1 crate of beer?
Now that 1 crate, now go kill you. You want to get that 1 crate, now go kill you, Wakwe. Eh? Okay. You didn't even come in to give me something.
Sorry. After the drinking and eating, I will give you 2,000.
You will give me 2,000 naira.
Exactly.
Out of 490,000 naira, Wakwe. Remember that I was the one that forecasted this game. Oh, come on, what I pray now. Okay, if it is easy to forecast and give me, let me go and play.
I don't have good phone. What 3,000?
3,000. See, don't call me again, oh. Don't call me back again, oh. Wakwe. Stay on your own, oh.
Don't be angry like this.
Look at you.
You beat me black and
blue. You beat. No wonder Father Francis is always using you as the devil in those dramas we used to act in church that because he has seen your future. He saw your future right from time. Look at it now. Are you not the devil? You're already displaying. You are the devil. You want to give me 3,000 naira out of 490,000. You are the devil. You are the devil himself. And don't ever come close to me, oh. Light and darkness has no connection. It's very wicked. Who be tagging me? My friend, get out from here. You called me back to give me 3,000 naira out of 400 and you were.
Okay, for.
I beg, leave my front. Every time I will be trying to
elevate. Don't be a two. Okay, let me make it 5, please.
Ibekwe.
Mama?
What is the issue between you and your daughter?
Issue?
Yes.
Between me and my daughter?
Yes.
Amarachi? Here! Mama, is that the reason you called for this meeting? Wait. Is that the important thing you said we must discuss before I sleep? To settle issue between me and my daughter, Amarachi? That's Chinchi. Eh? No, Mama, this is shit now. How old is she? Yeah. Oh.
Ibekwe, I think you should take her very serious. Because I noticed for some time now, she's becoming more and more aggressive.
Mama.
And you should take her serious.
Mama.
Yes.
If this is the reason you called for this meeting, then I'm going to bed.
Come back.
Can you imagine?
Come back here. Sit down.
Mama, you can't be judging matter between me and my daughter. Eh? No, now. It doesn't make sense.
Ibekwe, what do you think about your life?
About my life?
Yes.
How?
Don't you think it's time you have a woman? You need another woman so that you forge ahead with your life.
Mama, you worry too much. Eh?
Why shouldn't I worry? Eh? Yes, I should worry. You see, one of the reasons your daughter behaves the way she does is because she lacks a mother figure. She looks around her, there are no children or other children around for her to play with. But the fact is that you need a woman to coordinate your life, to take care of your home and be a mother figure for Amarachi, your daughter. And believe me, the moment you do that, you will see lots of changes in her.
Mama? I've been seeing someone. Yes. And I even plan to bring her home so that you can see her.
Now you're talking.
I wanted it to be a surprise.
Surprise?
But you are not being patient.
Patient? Because I'm not even now. I want you to fast track everything. Hasten the whole process. I need grandchildren playing around here. I need them. And your daughter will certainly change with that. Your life will be more coordinated, I tell you.
Mama, no problem. I'm working towards that.
Hasten it.
No problem. I have to go to bed now. You know I'm going to work tomorrow.
You can.
Leave that Amarachi Chinch. She have nothing to say. Let me go to
Good
bed.
night, my son.
Kachifo. Hey.
Hey. Hello. Who are you? What are you doing in my house all alone?
I'm looking for my mother.
Your mother? Where is she?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness. She abandoned you? Why would a woman abandon her own child?
Sweetheart.
Welcome.
Honey, are you okay?
It's a dream.
Oh, sorry I had to wake you up. You said you have an assignment by 9 o'clock and it's past 8 this morning.
Oh, yes.
Was it a pleasant dream?
Same dream.
A little girl looking for her mother.
Yes, same crying girl. This is the third time I'm having this dream this week.
Oh, were you able to see the face this time around?
I was going to see her face when you woke me up.
Oh, sorry about that.
My daughter is troubled. I think she needs me.
Fight my battle, oh Lord. Fight my battle. Fight my battle. Fight my battle. All my enemies, Baba, fight my battle. Fight my battle. Fight my battle. All my enemies.
Mama, good morning.
Good morning, my dear.
Fight my battle.
Nah, you're leaving for work, eh?
Yes.
Fight my battle.
Let me go and hustle small.
It is good.
We'll go again
Okay,
today.
my dear.
Amarachi.
Fight my
Mama,
battle.
did you see that? Mama, did you see what this little girl just did?
She said nobody should call her Amarachi again. Call her Perpetua.
Mama, what nonsense, Perpetua? I am her father. I have the right to name her whatever I like. I named her Amarachi, and that is final.
Excuse me.
Your first name is Amarachi, whether you like it or not.
Okay, we shall see.
We shall see. Amarachi, we shall see. Let me not allow you to spoil my day for me. Warfare. Some Perpetua. Gini ki ina epe gini. Perpetua. Perpetua. Amarachi is your name. Perpetua. Ina epe gini ki ina epe. Ina wabu odi na anya.
She be troublemaker number one. Amarachi Perpetua.
Who did this to my keke? Come back! Come!
Did what?
What is it?
Mama, who did this to my keke?
Did what?
Who deflated my keke?
What is it now?
Who? Come here. Who did this to my keke?
What is
Beg
it?
your pardon. Let me go.
Don't beg my pardon! Mama, this girl should not beg my pardon.
What is
This
it?
keke was okay when Okoye brought it last night. Now the tire is deflated. Eh, Mama?
But Ibekwe, don't start apportioning blame now. The tire could have deflected on its own.
Mama, it did not. Oh. This girl has a hand in it. She knows something about it. She knows something about this tire.
It is to show you and to tell you that there is no peace for the wicked.
What did you say? Amarachi, what did you say?
There is no peace for the wicked.
Hey! Oh, Mama, you know,
How?
I've been meaning to say this, but you see this girl? She's a witch. She's combined with the forces attacking me. This guy is the one giving the devil information against me. Mama, I'm telling you.
Don't say that again. No. Take it easy, Ibekwe.
Okay, Mama, how can you explain this? This keke was in order last night when Okoye brought it. You know, Saturday and Sundays that Okoye does not drive this keke. So I used the opportunity to hustle with it. Throughout the week, nothing happened to this keke till today. And you are telling me that everything is in order. Eh, Mama?
I still think it's possible the tire deflected on its own. Take it easy.
Mama, it is not possible. It is this little chinch.
This is just the beginning. By the time I'll be done with you, since you have refused to show me where my mother is, you have refused to tell me who she is, you have refused to take me to my mother, I got Piria.
Hey.
Mama, you have period.
Part 1.
Hey.
Eh?
Part 1, your body is just you. By the time I will show you the part 2.
By the time you...
You will learn how to respect my decision. My name is not Amarachi. Mr. Ibekwe, I got Piria.
Oh, okay. Amarachi, you are challenging me.
Yes, I got Piria.
Amarachi.
Wow. Inukwa.
Eh?
Ibekwe.
You...
Ibekwe, take it easy.
I'm okay now also.
Yes.
In Alamo also.
Yana.
Hey!
Amarachi! Yeah!
Hey, Meru ahu. Ibekwe wole enwayo.
Omo! You want me to abom Ibekwe? Eh? Amarachi!
Hey!
Amarachi!
Ibekwe, you injure yourself because of this girl.
Where is she?
Eh?
Mama, where is she?
Ibekwe jinu enwayo. Ibekwe okwankureku.
So, what are you going to do about it? This is your father we are talking about. Have you decided how we are going to deal with him? Or should we just go ahead and give him the same treatment you give to those that refuse to address you as perpetual?
You mean beating him?
Yes, no.
Oh, no. He's my father. No matter what, he's my father. So I cannot beat him.
Okay.
How can you even beat him? If my father blew you away, you take yourself in another
Abioda, your papa strong. Oh.
I'll just give them war. I'll give them cold war. Better war.
Cold war. What is cold war?
Like headache now. I'll give them headache. Okay. Like they will not have peace in that house.
We are solidly behind you.
A day will not pass without them having to deal with the kind of headache I'll give them. I'm telling you. I'll prepare them. I'll prepare them until they understand that my name is Perpetua.
So how do we attack?
I'm just thinking. I'll come up with something.
Pepe? Perpetua. Papa?
Whose son is Papi? You don't know your papa again.
Maybe your name again.
It is Perpetua too hard for you to pronounce.
You stop this thing now. Information what I will give you now and superb. This way they talk no day important.
Yeah, what is it?
I see your papa with that girl. That Ngbeke girl, what did they call her? Lovina na.
Lovina. Who's Lovina?
You don't know Lovina again.
The one we do a show for city way around Combat Village.
Exactly.
We get hairdressing salon.
Bagam.
Where did you see them?
I saw them in Lovina's shop. They were doing with your father. I tell you, me say I shock when I see him. I say, so this man don't. Where you call they go?
I'm coming.
Do you want us to come along?
Anyone?
You know say pepper na hot pepper.
So you're coming this night, right?
Eh? Onyakijuayeku.
Okay.
See, let me tell you. You have to prepare for me very well because I'm coming.
I will finish you.
They finish him. See, pipe there,
Abi?
I'm not joking, no. You have to prepare for me. What is it? Why are you frowning?
Ibekwe, am I not supposed to be the one coming to your house? But instead, it's the other way around. Eh? Or is there something you're hiding from me?
Baby, nah. Why are you saying this? I already told you everything about me. I also told you that it would be disrespectful to bring a woman in a house my mother also lives. When proper introduction has not been done. Eh? Oh, my mother will be there. Don't you think so?
It is sure.
I'm very sure. Don't worry. Soon, my home will be your home.
Abi, make it sooner because I can't wait again.
I can't wait.
But are you sure your mother will accept me?
My mother? My mother will love you.
Abi?
She gonna love you finish.
Aww.
Don't worry yourself.
What of that your daughter?
My baby, let me tell you. Once my mother accepts you, which I know she will, definitely. Not every other person should get out. They should get away. They don't matter to me. They are not.
Before Nchefo, you promised me some cash today. Told me. What?
Women.
Again.
I thought you've already forgotten though. But you just proved to me that women can never forget anything that has to do with money.
Keki chokansi weche. Nene go doing now. Hey, ezunu mezu. I want to standard. It's that money I'm using to take care of myself. Nene no more.
Don't worry yourself. Ebumia.
Okay.
I carry am.
Gimme. Hey, Ebumia. Hey, that's why I'm talking about you. This whole village is Ibekwe. Oh, Tomia.
You see this one, eh?
Yes, so.
This one is for having what I want.
Wow.
And this one, is for having everything I want.
That's why I'm talking about.
And this one is for having original nyashi.
Oh, hey,
not time baby.
My
What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Did I also tell you to be following me around? Or fondo to get wagi?
There's no money. But you are here hooking up with this half-baked bread.
Ebekwe, who is this? Who is this now?
Please. Sorry. She's my troublesome daughter I told you about. Amarachi Chinchi. She's the one.
You are done, Abi. I am the person that will put sand in your gari. You see this man here? He's my father. And if you have anything to do with him, mind yourself. I will have something to do with your own father. I will look for him anywhere that he is.
See, Ibekwe, I'm only giving you respect. And now, because I will run and enter this guy. What is up? Are you okay?
I'm sorry. Bia.
I was there. You were giving her money. See money. But I told me you say you don't have money. You don't have money. See money.
What are you doing here? It's a second feeling to Salem. Are you done washing plate at home?
What I'm doing here? I am here to collect my own money because I saw when you gave her money. If it's at home now, you say there's no money, but you are giving her money. So I am here to collect my own money.
Which money?
So submit the money now.
Wait for what? I'm solely getting an eba now. Come to give you which money? Can you hear me about money? No one going with on call you.
I am the worst mother on earth. How did I even walk away and never looked back? How did I abandon my little daughter? She's just an innocent baby. She was never the cause of my misery and frustrations. How could I have abandoned my own daughter? Oh God, no. I need my daughter back. How do I get my daughter back? Baby, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I need my baby back. Maybe I wasn't a good mother after all. But I'm ready to make things right. Baby, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Hi, oh God, you don't know me. You don't know. You are taking me for granted. In fact, let me shock you. Touch me. Oh God. Original. Wait. Original.
Okay, one emego nukego.
Hey, Obia. Obia agenda. Original.
Okay, one.
Madam Original, come over. Come over. Okay, original.
Okay, one emego nukego.
Original. Oh God. Original.
Okay,
now listen. Let me do this thing once and for all. Sitting besides me here is the one and the only angel.
I see her
from heaven.
No be lie you talk.
Then from this point, this is what they call Tintin Pepe.
I don't see her.
Nwoma Zegeme. Another human being.
Welcome here.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I promise them fun from this angle. Now, go and bring more drink. Check the old balance. Add it to the new one. I am able. I am capable. Drink us. Sorry, bring us drinks. More drinks for this table.
Mona just they take anything Mona like.
Okay now.
They request anyhow.
Tell them.
In credit no be credit. Before evening now, you go just come do and chon.
Original. Yes. Add it to the old bill. Original. Put it to the former bill. I'm going to pay.
Baby, I want bushmeat.
Wait. Turn by turn. Bushmeat.
Original.
I hope there is bushmeat there.
It is.
Supply. No, wait. This is not a marine word. You're saying it's.
But I love Ishazu.
You love Ishazu. You love Ishazu. Wait for later. See that carefully. Oh, my. See, listen. Let me tell you one thing. If anybody look for your trouble, tell me.
What would you do? What would you do?
Okay, that. Hey, you don't know me. Listen, let me tell you. Calling police or involving police in a matter like this, that one is old-fashioned. Yes, I am telling you. Do you know what I will do? What? If anybody ventures to look for your trouble or mine, if that person happens to be a tenant, under his or her nose, I will pay for his house. But if the very person happens to be the landlord, like the owner of the company, you are there. Hey, oh God. Don't over. Wait, see, you're making me see the time has not come. The time has not come. Don't overspeed. You said it's fish. Yes. Yes. Fish it is. Now, if he's the landlord, I will make him an offer he will not reject. Then I will buy the house from him and evict him from the compound. That is it. Touch me. Wait. You are touching me in the point of avenue. You are touching me in the point of avenue. Hi.
Shut up.
My daughter, I have a baby.
You have a baby.
I have a baby.
Anyway, insulting my mother. You don't know. Abi. You don't know. Now you have a baby. Shut up. Let me do my flogging.
Please, it.
Shut up. Let me do my work.
I will not
stop. Next time, you don't have the mouth to trust somebody. Shut up. Come on, hold that way.
She wants to mind her business.
Go collect.
Please.
Don't worry. If I flog myself, I'll start again.
What I kill you,
Come.
This girl has killed me. Please, I promise I will not talk again. I will not talk again
because
I will hold my mouth. I will hold my mouth.
Hey, Georgie. What is it now? Hi. Nah. Wait. Nah, how Makazikwago? This township thing is really good on you. Thank you. Hi. Azine, city Amaka. Ha, God, everywhere is so fine in the city. My sister lives in paradise. Is Yokum. Hey. No, but I'm not coming back. Let me be their cook and remain there. No. My sister's home is her home. Mine is mine. So even if I go to visit, I will still come back. Thank you. You're looking that so is so much about me. Let's talk about you. How have you been? And who is the man behind this your group? Because you are shining, no. God, leave God out of this, I beg. Tell me the truth. Who is the man behind the smile? I know God is doing his own, but there must be somebody somewhere. Yes. Well, if you insist, is it Bekwe? That boy I love will come. He's really taking care of me. I'm telling you. Ibekwe? I'm telling you. You're really serious with this Ibekwe? Yes, so that boy from Nana, he loves me. Obrumego, he gives me money. He supports my business. He does everything for me. Nne, you are lucky. Thank you. He even said he will marry me. I thought they said he was married. No, married. He only gave birth out of wedlock. He's not married though. He gave birth to that small girl now. And rumor had it that he was married to the mother of the girl.
No, he wasn't married. Though he denied it. Though I heard the same thing. I asked him, but he denied it. He said he wasn't married. That they just gave birth out of wedlock.
And Keda know her that girl.
Amarachi.
Yeah, Amarachi. No.
For your own good, don't call her Amarachi. Call her Perpetua. Yes, so Apokwane Amarachi. Any day for you. Call her Perpetua. That's the name she chose for herself.
Is Amarachi not her name?
Amarachi is her name, but you just heard me. I said call her Perpetua. She said she doesn't want anybody to call her Amarachi again.
Kenke Perpetua.
Perpetua ba for choose ulong. That what hand na wagi. Call her Perpetua, not Amarachi. That girl is a lot of trouble. Anybody that calls her by her name Amarachi becomes her potential target.
That small girl. I should be afraid of her.
Don't call her. Don't call her Amarachi for any reason.
If I call her Amarachi, what will she do?
Okay, what will she do? I told him make anything. The only thing I want to tell you is that Apokwane Amarachi, call her Perpetua.
Leave that thing. That is by the way. So you are trying to tell me that Ibekwe wants to marry?
Very soon, I make plans.
This is good news, oh.
Thank you, my friend. Thank you.
Ibekwe! Is somebody in this house?
Master Pastor, this one you're shouting my son's name in this hot sun. Is all well?
All is not well.
Hi.
Where is Ibekwe? I want to see Ibekwe.
Nah, Ibekwe is not around. Your face look trouble. What is it?
I am disappointed that you and your son Ibekwe failed to raise your granddaughter in a good manner. She has no respect for elders in this village.
Hi.
Anyway, that is not why I'm here. For her to bring her disrespect and rascality to any of my person, I will not have anything to tell you until I see Ibekwe.
Please.
Hi.
Nai, please. Please tell me, what has Amarachi done this time around?
Amarachi and her gang ambushed my only sister, Wanyeke, and flogged the living hell out of her like a child. Hey! And she is threatening to call all her children from the city.
Hey! Arrow.
Hi,
Nai, please.
Tell your son, Ibekwe, to get ready for the battle that is coming his way.
Nai, please, calm down. Please, but when did this happen?
Yesterday.
Nka.
Just yesterday.
Hey!
As he was coming back from Eke Market.
Hey! Hey!
Amarachi.
Okay, Nai, do you know that just this week alone, we have gotten 3 complaints about Amarachi and her troubles? Please, I beg of you. Don't allow Wanyeke invite or tell her children in the city. My son and I will see to it. We will come and see her the moment he's back. Please, I beg of you.
I hope you know what that means. If I should allow her to do that. But, see, oh my God. I remember my relationship with your late husband. He used to be my best friend. Biko, caution your granddaughter. Because next time, I will not look back. Caution her.
Please,
Ogechi, caution your granddaughter.
I will.
Bapioku.
I will. Nai, Mazi, listen now, Please, don't allow her call her children in the city, Biko, hey! Amarachi, you will not kill my son and I. Hey! Hey! Hey!
She be trouble maker #1. Amarachi Perpetua.
Come. Smalley, you cannot greet.
Biggie, greet who?
Greet me, of course. See how you just walked past me as if you did not see me. You don't know that you're supposed to stop and greet your elder?
Elder. Where's the walking stick now as an elder?
You must be very stupid.
You two are stupid.
Hi.
You are mad.
It's not your fault. I can see you lack home training. If you had home training, you will know that courtesy demand you greet when you see your senior.
I beg, auntie, who is my senior here?
Amarachi, I am your senior.
Hey, hold it there. Well, I don't know you. I don't even know what you want from me. Let me just tell you this once and for all. My name is not Amarachi. My name is Perpetua.
Ta! I say, shut up your mouth. Your name is Amarachi. I was there when they gave birth to you. I was there present at your naming ceremony, and your parents called you Amarachi. So your name is Amarachi, and that is what I'll call you.
Kotori. You don't have sense.
Hey!
You don't have, and on top of that, you are still stupid. You are mad, you are foolish, on top of one head.
Hey! I said it now, it's not your fault. You lack proper home training. If your mother had not left you when you were small to go to the city to do prostitution, you'd have had sense.
It's time that I will fire you.
Fire you?
Coming for you.
What will you do?
I'm coming for you.
You will do nothing. Look at you, change, small rat. You will do nothing. You cannot do anything. Look at her, do your worst. Idiot. Idiot Muramu.
Pepe, the one and only Perpetua, our own Pepe, the most brilliant student in the Ebube Community High School. Wow, this one your face is like this, you don't look happy. Is it about your father? Have you decided how we are going to treat his fuck up?
My father is not my problem now. Someone just offended me.
What do you mean?
Nah. Someone stepped on my toes intentionally.
In this village, is she new? Abi, she don't know who you be?
I want us to arrange a visit for her.
Hey! Regular kind of visiting.
No.
Huh?
No. I want combo visits. The one that after beating her, hospital people will reject her. Yes. Even Igwe will summon us.
Hey.
That's the one I want. Where is Ujunwa?
I dey here, papi. I dey shit, but everywhere they talk, I dey hear you.
Iti, you dey shit. Come on, Papa, Perpetua. You won't even make me call my name, Papa.
Papi, I dey here now. Afa.
What is it now?
Just my handle. I no carry shit come out.
Do you know the change? Beg.
Me will wash hand for the carry pure water go there.
Wait, okay, which water they here?
I carry pure water. Don't I first clean am for my body before.
Stop that thing now. Stop am.
Sorry. Who you say Mo will arrange beats for? You know say I no get brain. I no sabi book, but I get. Who will arrange?
Nah,
Stop now.
This. No touch me again.
But you not say
again.
I no be your.
When they bring your hand close, no touch me again.
Okay, now do your regular girl.
Wait, you say you know to sabi book, abi you know sabi at all.
You not say me too now. You can follow the talk.
Me and you no be the same mo. Me no only math and anything calculations. Now in they give me issues. They be like magic for my eye.
Okay, wait till make two of una sit in the same class with me.
I better pass.
Leave all this thing now. You say who we go arrange beating for? Me are they available. As far as you go allow me sit down with you for exam hall, I feel beat anybody. If you even say me beat your papa, I'll go arrange them. Talk now. My body they hot.
Baby, how far who be this girl say?
The girl. As they go carry cane. Both cane go punch am, go do am everything.
Wait that same Lovina.
Calm down, make her finish.
Okay, sorry.
And this time around, anyway we will catch am. If the fight finish today, and if we start tomorrow, we go still fight am. If we start next tomorrow, we go still fight am. She not to know me for this village, but I know am. Though I know recognize her face well, but I know her.
You dey talk plenty. Maybe they go quick. I beg. This talk done the minute.
So I go and bring your mama.
You know where she dey live?
Dear Caro, he said the name again. You did what? I don't know why you all are scared of that little brat. I said I was passing and she passed me without greeting her elder. She did not greet me. Imagine that one Banshee. You know, say I don't follow how they do this thing, what they do for this village now. So I called her to order. She's supposed to greet. She said, I will get to you. But me, I know nothing. I finished her. I gave her hot.
Carol, hold on. You called her what exactly?
Her name, Amarachi, of course.
You mean she was passed without talking to you and call her by her name, Amarachi? And she didn't greet you?
Exactly.
Carol, why?
Why what?
Carol, why?
Why what? But I told you! You told me what? Not to call her Amarachi. And then if I call her Amarachi, what will happen with the heaven fall? Let it fall today now, let me see. Nothing will happen. Nothing will happen.
You don't used to hear.
Nothing will happen.
No problem.
That's small thing. Follow me. My eyes. Lovina. Lavina, I'm your friend, though. Lavina, because I'm sorry. Easy. Hey, Mama, where are you? Cherwood. Hi. Mama, it's painful now. It's painful. Take it easy. Hi.
Hi. You mean Amarachi and her cohorts did this to you?
Hi, Papa. Three of them, Mazi and Shoribu. Mama, where are you?
But you shouldn't have fought with three people. You'd have walked away. That is the wise thing to do. Now look at you. In pains. Sorry.
Mama.
Wait.
And you are sure you did nothing to provoke her?
Papa, he did not do anything. Hi, Papa. Hi. They beat the living daylight out of me.
Imagine.
Hi.
Imagine.
This is not the end of this. This is not the end of this. Ibekwe, we know that his daughter has touched the wrong girl. If Ibekwe cannot tame his daughter, I will teach him how to tame her.
Nai, where are you going? Nai, please, where are you going? Please, don't go and pick up fight, please.
Just relax.
Please, I'm begging you, Bikonu. Don't instead go and call the police.
I want to take care of this once and for all.
That's not the wise thing to do. Please, Nai.
Mama.
Don't you think some of those things are lies? You must not take in everything you hear, Ibekwe.
Mama. Lovina, you remember the girl I told you about?
Yes.
She was the one that told me. It happened in her shop.
Her own shop?
This girl want to kill me in this village. She want to kill me. What can come with that girl? Huh? Okay.
Ibekwe, you must not believe everything you hear. How can my own granddaughter, how can she beat up people that are way bigger, older than she is?
She employed her usual thugs. I wonder how a little girl like her, as little as she is, she cannot follow people of her age. Mama? This is not the first time. This is not the second time. This is not the third time. Neither the fourth or fifth time she's beating up somebody. Mama? The last time I spent over 30,000 naira in treating somebody she beat up. This doesn't make sense now.
But you really have to take it easy with her, please.
Agarata must come back. Hey, come back here. I said come back here. Come back here, my friend. do you think you are going to? And where are you coming from?
Papa, beg, please. I had a rough day today. I'm tired.
My friend, will you stop there? Stop there, my friend. You had a rough day. Eh? You had a rough day. Amarachi, I'm asking you.
Yes.
Eh? Is that the reason you beat up somebody's daughter? I'm asking you. Like I was told that she could not even walk. Hey, Amarachi.
It's unfortunate. But it was very necessary.
Hello.
Very, very, oh.
Mama.
So it's true. Is it true?
Yes, now I'm telling you. It's true.
Did you hear that?
Arotoronse.
No, Mama, did you hear that? Why did you beat up somebody's daughter? That is what I'm asking you.
I use that as a scapegoat. I just use that to set example to other people. All those nonsense, useless, foolish people that don't want to stop calling me Amarachi. They should all expect this. I am coming for them one after the other.
Eh?
Yes.
Wait. Anybody, including me, your father.
Okay, I think I'll not call your name. You too, you're among. You're among. In fact, your own is times 2.
Eh?
Because number 1, you don't want to show me my mother. Number 2, you don't want to stop calling me Amarachi. So you are number 1.
Hey.
But your own is aside.
You mean you will beat up your own father?
Oh, you think you're not among? You are among, oh. I will beat you up. It's just because your own is a camel case. That's why I left you one side.
Hey, Ara.
Ara. I just wish this was the era of slave trade. I would have sold this girl out. This useless, this nonsense, non-entity girl out to the white men for nothing. I would have sold her out for nothing. Because this is useless to me now. I want to pay G5, man.
Well, there are different ways to show somebody Pepe. Your own, I will not beat you because definitely I cannot beat you. I cannot beat you. But there is another way I'll deal with you. I promise you.
Amarachi, you will show me Pepe. Me?
Nah.
You, little brat, you will show me.
One bet.
Eh?
Let us bet.
Let's bet.
I'll see bet.
Bet on Kai Korea.
Yes.
Is your mama?
Come. You will show me Pepe.
Oh,
let's bet.
What a granddaughter.
Mama, I told you that this was not what I ordered for. This was not what I ordered for from Patricia.
Look at the person we are going to his house.
Ibekwe nti dike na aso ajoku ike ndia na sompari. Nti dike na aso ajoku ike ndia na sompari.
Mazi Ojako, what is it again?
I am not here with peace. I am here with violence, strong violence.
Please calm down. Oh, please calm down.
I'm not here to calm down. Are you not aware that your daughter arranged with her friends and they beat up Karo, my daughter? Are you not aware? Hey, Bekwe.
Mazi Ojako, please. Just calm down. Let's talk about it.
I'm not here to calm down. I'm not here to calm down.
Oh, it has not gotten to this.
Why are you removing your clothes?
She's not my mate, so I have no business with her.
Mazi Ojako.
Wait,
it has not gotten to this.
I have no business with your daughter.
Here.
Who I have business is with you. Since you have failed to tame your daughter, I will tame you.
Mazi Ojako, wear your shirt. Wear your...
Ibekwe, I'm not here for...
Yeah, Mr. Man. Mr. Jackie Chai. Commando, did you ask your daughter what she did? Did you ask her what she did to me?
She told me she did nothing to you.
Oh,
yes.
You believe that? Because you think I'm a troublemaker. You believe that? Well, I think you should go home and ask her the mistake she made. Because you too, my auto knows no bound. Meaning that you too, you can collect. Because nobody is above my authority. I will give you back to back.
Shut
up your mouth. Yeah, Amarachi.
Hang it there. Hang it. You see what I'm talking about? You see? This same mistake I am talking about. You see? I said you should go home and ask your daughter what she did. And now you want to make the same mistake. You see your life.
Basil Jacob, this is exactly what I was trying to explain to you. What are you going to go? This witch. I'm sick and tired.
Jackie Chan, you remove clothes to fight my father.
You are one.
Okay, you are blind. You are not seeing this. You are not seeing it.
In case she need a house help or something, you can come and take her with you. Maybe she'll be helping you in 1 or 2. What about Muso? You go. Okay, for winter. What are you going to do? Neighbor, I'm tired. Let's go. Mama? I don't think Amarachi's problem is psychological. I think it's spiritual. Mama, I'm telling
Don't say that.
Now,
Don't
Mama,
say that again.
That girl so no too. You have to believe me. She belong.
She is just a troubled little girl. Besides, I think you should try another approach.
There is no other approach other than flogging and starving her.
Try love.
Logging it.
Love and pamper.
Who dash monkey banana? Papa Amarachi. Love. Mama, see, let me tell you. Amarachi is already a spoilt brat. What I hear maybe go call. Which I don't know where she got it from. Because I am not like that. Yes. She feels she has the audacity to demand for anything. I mean anything. Including changing her name. And it will be done. And now you want me to pamper her. To give her more wings to fly. Mama, no, now. Me buto taraye na area. Napia. Trobro madu. Pamper who? Ope.
Ibekwe, inapia. You've been using the same approach all this while. What's the result? I think she needs just 2 things. One, that you call her Perpetual, her English name. And 2, you tell her who her mother is. I don't think she's asking too much.
Mama, I can't believe you're the one saying this. Oh. You surprised me. Oh.
Perpetua is also her name. The name given to her by late Reverend Father Titus Onaga.
Then what is wrong with her name, Amarachi? What is wrong with Amarachi? A beautiful name that her father gave to her. Mama, look, let me tell you. One's name is his or her first identity. Perpetua would deny her the impression of being an Igbo girl. Don't you know? Otorigin Katankanya Zaba Perpetua on her pegene. Get on up. Please, Mama, Biko. I don't want to ever discuss this issue. Please. Her name is Amarachi, and that is final.
Okay. Then oblige her second request. Tell her who her mother is.
Mama, you know that is a very sad chapter of my life. You know, I don't want to ever discuss it.
Ibekwe, there comes a time in one's life when you stand up to reality and tell yourself the bitter truth. What your daughter is asking for is just normal and natural, I must tell you. And it's better you face your fear than run away from your fear, because someday you're bound to face it.
Mama?
Yes, you must have to tell her someday who her mother is. So why don't you tell her now so as to bring down this heat?
Mama, there is no heat. There is no heat. Amarachi talk about war. I have war. Okamu amodia. No teta.
Can you hear?
Machinchi. Maybe totally area. Metia. I will tell her about her mother, but not now.
Ibekwe,
Amarachi,
calm down and take it easy with your daughter. Huh? How can you be saying about war? Eh? War. Do the right thing now. Stop procrastinating. Stop deferring the tomorrow. What you fear now will certainly face you stuck naked someday. This is something that you must tell her sooner or later. So why don't you do it now, my son? Do it, please, I beg of you. So that we all have peace. You will have peace. She will have peace. In short, we will have peace in this house, I beg of you. Oh?
Amarachi. Okay, madam.
Badatana rekeleo. O mema o. Badatana rekele. Nizuru kemeo. Hey. Badatana rekeleo.
Don't land.
Pepe. Hi. Pepe. Check you go bring singing your make for free. I will make your hair for free. Pepe, the one and only Pepe in this village.
Stop playing. I heard you are now ready without battery.
I don't understand.
You go understand very soon. We na full package. We get wisdom, we get knowledge. Understanding still join you, and we go bath you now with her. Baptism.
Okay, now let me explain since you don't understand. As ready without battery, you reported to my daddy, you reported to my papa, my father, about the baptism of fire that happened there that time. That last time. You know?
Beijing took away Yogi, please. Please, beautiful Pepe, please. Maroon, because it was a slip of tongue.
Stop playing, sir.
Stop playing.
Please, I'm begging you to. It was a slip of tongue. I don't know.
Slip of tongue.
Beautiful Pepe, see, I swear. It will never repeat itself again. Mama, I will not try it.
You are very lucky. Ask me why. Because you were smart enough to tune him the Pepe. You know. You were smart enough to teach him the beautiful Pepe.
Her mind really big.
It's not.
Thank you.
Your sense today. So because of this, you will not receive any package.
Thank you.
You will not receive either combo or any package at all. You will not receive anyone.
Thank you.
But let me just warn you, mind your business.
I will.
Because the next time you will choke eye in my matter, I will use you for my business. I will use you as my business.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Thank you.
I will use you as my business.
Hi. Say the money was to make her come out. I don't they cry. This is a bad omen. Can make change. Let me come and go.
Mazio Jacko. You know, our people say that a man putting on white garment, carrying a toddler, will surely not return neat as he left. There will be some stains. We are deeply sorry for the act of our daughter Amarachi. We condemn what she did to your daughter. And we are here to show support while she recovered from the injury. So, we are sorry. Biko, wow.
Nkakunu jibia. Cabin biscuit. Na mpiam bia.
Mazi, akara wine ko le ko bedia. Please.
Ibekwe. I have a question for you.
Okay.
What is your daughter's name? I asked because moments ago you called her Amarachi. So I'm asking to be sure it is still her name.
Yes. Her name is Amarachi.
Okay. Now tell me why a girl will assault a fellow for calling her own name given to her by her parents.
Imagine. Just look at her. Look at my daughter's face. Eh? And we are here speaking all the English.
Your daughter did this to my daughter for calling her by her own name.
Hi. Imagine. Mama, I told you that that girl is a witch. I told you now.
Mazi Ojiako, we're truly sorry. Please forgive. It will never happen again. Please forgive.
Exactly. It will never happen again. That is why I have decided to involve the law into this.
Mazi law kwa?
Yes. I have decided to lay an official complaint at the police station so that the law will take its course.
Mazi Ojiako, it has not gotten to that. It has not gotten to that. See, let me tell you. I am assuring you that Amarachi will never, ever do this kind of thing again. I'm not only promising you, I am putting it to you that Amarachi will not beat any other person. This is... Mama, take me on.
As for the damages, please let us know how much you spent on the treatment of your daughter. We'll take care of it.
Biko.
You are asking me to take you by your word. You are assuring me this will not happen again.
It will not happen again.
Okay. Okay, because I wanted to involve the police so that the law will help us and solve this. But you are my kinsman. I cannot, since you assure me this will not happen again. And you say the damages, you will pay.
We will pay.
The damages.
150,000.
Yes. 150,000. Yeah.
What is it?
Oh, Chim.
What?
Mazi, where do I get that kind of money from?
That is why I said you should allow me involve the law so that they'll help us and solve this.
Mazi, why did you gonna be 150,000 naira is too much.
We will pay. Yes.
Mama?
Okay. When are you going to pay?
Give us till tomorrow afternoon.
Mama? Around what time tomorrow afternoon?
Midday, 12 noon.
12 noon?
Yes.
Okay. It's well. I'll wait for you till 12 noon. And if you don't bring it, I'll go to the police station.
Straight. Sir, I have a message for your daughter. Tell her she's yet to see the best of me. And I am coming back for her. She should wait. She will hear from me very soon.
Caro, calm down. You are still in pain.
Don't mind them, my daughter.
One beating.
Look at the stupid cabin biscuits they came with. Go and keep so that you start eating biscuits.
Since we'll be paying you 150, I think we should be going back with this.
Going back here. Papa, let me keep it inside. Take it inside.
Is it not high? Is it not a high time you left and start looking for the money?
150. Mama,
it's okay.
Think about it, though. Mama. Mama, where are we going to get 150,000 to settle for her damages?
Would you rather they involve the police?
It would be better they involve the police. So, by the time she spends some time in the police custody, she will realize that it's an offense to assault anybody. It's not good now.
Ibekwe, when will you grow up? You think I did this for her? No, I did it for you. Because if they involve the police, when they come, they will see her as minor. It's you that they will pick up. Amarachi is your responsibility, my dear. You should know that.
Hey!
Yes.
Hey! Hey! Oh God! God, hear me loud and clear today, oh. Hear me loud and clear today, oh. One more trouble from Amarachi, I mean, one more trouble from her, I will disown her. I will take her to the city and trade her for anything that anybody cares to buy her from.
Shut up! Don't say that. Huh? In other words, child trafficking. Is that what you mean?
I don't care what they call it. I will just take her to the city and do whatever I wish to do with her.
Now listen, she is your only child and my only granddaughter. So for you to do that, you have to kill me first. You will do that over my dead body. Don't repeat that again.
Okay, Mama. Yes, she's my first daughter. My first child. I don't know whichever way. I don't know. The thing there is that where are we going to get such amount of money? 150,000 naira. Where are we going to get it from? Or didn't you hear them? They said 150,000. Where am I going to get it from? Shishe nwokwam. Onwoka Toronto banono.
It's always been like that. I will pay, don't worry.
You will pay? Okay. Maybe you kept money somewhere. Where won't come ego? Shishe jokwam. Oda one bro force sakamo.
Chimo. Sawa. What is it?
Amarachi, this one you are looking so calm and quiet today. Omega Repa, have you committed anything outside?
Let this girl be. Happy Akabiko.
Mama, it's either this girl is up to something or she has done something. I don't trust her.
So someone cannot just have the quiet time.
No, Kwamo. It's not quiet time. No, did I just hear you say quiet time?
Yes. Day your day.
Okay, make I day my day. Eh?
Ibekwe, let her be. Zukwanike, eh? Let her be. Wait, let me get food for us to eat.
You. Quiet time. Okay. Quiet time. Amarachi. Watching Chinka. Quiet time. Okay. Now we there here now. We go let us see what happen.
I've dished out your food. Go to the kitchen and take it. Ibekwe, let's go in and
I'm not hungry. Eat your food in peace.
Oh, wow. You're not hungry.
Ha. Mama, leave her. It's either she's on hunger strike or she's not hungry yet. By the time she becomes hungry, she know her way to the kitchen. She will eat.
Okay, let her be. Let's go and eat. I'm eating now.
Mama, go
Come and carry
in.
your own food.
Amarachi, quiet time. You having quiet time. No one cares, Jesus, sir. It's not possible. It's very, very unusual. Look at you. You. Amarachi, Chinchi, having a quiet time. Have you ever had a quiet time in your entire life? Even when you were in your mother's stomach, you were too rebellious, you were troublesome. Now we there here now, I got to appreciate. You see the end of this.
let that girl be. Come and eat.
Okay, yeah, wait. I haven't thought of them. I tried to tell them.
Amarachi.
Just small, you know. Typically, what I put in your food. Yeah, we slept for almost 16 hours, sir.
Amarachi.
Just Igbo, small Igbo. Your mates are smoking them, loud, colors. Just put small in your food.
Amarachi. Amarachi.
Ibekwe.
Amarachi, what is the meaning of this?
Ibekwe, this is the meaning. We slept for 16 hours. Ibekwe.
What time is it?
This is 2 p.m. Ibekwe.
2 p.m. Hi. Mama, I will not only deal with this chinchi. You see this Obanje, this Satan, I will not only deal with that. I will make sure I kill her with my 2 bare hands.
Mr. Man.
Okay, forget. Come on, don't tie me now.
Save your strength because not today. It's going to be a long day.
What's that supposed to mean? Amarachi, come on, don't tie me now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Amarachi. Where is Mama? Mama? Where is Mama?
Nam, Ibekwe, I'm tied here. Who did this to me?
You tied my mother, your grandmother, Amarachi. You don't have fear again. You tied me, your father. Amarachi, come and untie this thing now. Come and untie this thing now.
Ibekwe, come and untie me. What are you doing there? Come. Hey.
Come and untie this thing now.
Like I said, save your strength because today is going to be a long day. Nobody will rescue you. It's just you and I in this room.
Hi.
Oh.
You see those hooligan friends of yours? I will not only deal with you, but I will involve them. I will make sure I deal with all of them because I know they helped you to do this. You cannot do it on your own. I know I will deal with all of you. Come and untie this thing now. Amarachi. Amarachi. Okay. What do you want?
I want you to tell me everything I need to know about my mother.
I beg your pardon. Come and lose this thing.
Okay.
Come on, lose this thing, my friend.
By the time you get tired, your body will tell you.
Nai, food is ready. At least, come and eat. I've already told you. I already told you since yesterday that Ibekwe does not have that kind of money anywhere. You decided to have your hopes high. Please come and eat. It's already past 2 p.m. Ibekwe is not coming. Ibekwe that I know will not come.
Ibekwe is testing me. Ibekwe is testing my patience. I will lock him up and I will not look back.
Nai, please come and eat. You and I know that you did not intend to involve the police. Eh? If Bekweda cannot provide 5,000, you are now talking about 150,000. If Bekweda I know. Look at 150,000. Bacon, come and eat. Come and eat. I have the strength.
I know Ibekwe doesn't have such amount. But you see that his mother Ogechi. I know she has it.
Really?
Yes. But they will hear from me. Okay. Let me eat first.
Why you have to eat?
I cannot allow this to slide. Let me eat first.
Come and eat, my dear. Okay? You like money too much. Eh? Money man. Come and eat.
This rice and chicken you are eating, where did you get the money from? Yeah, Amarachi.
It's your friend, though. Okay, the keke rider. He bought the keke today. And he came to return for the week. So, what are you saying? Use the account. Use the account to me. So, everything is settled.
Wait.
Everything is settled. Look at the money.
Wait. Is that where you got the money from? Is that the money you're already squandering?
Squandering what?
Eating rice and chicken. My own money. My sweat, Amarachi.
I'm not squandering the money. I'm chopping the money. Like, if I chop and finish, you will see it in my body. I'm chopping it.
Oh, God. Oh, God. What kind of child is this? The people are giving birth to a responsible child. Why am I? Why? Hi. Cannot go to what I kid you. God, what have I done to you? I'm ready to come and don't tie this thing. Oh, I'm your father. Oh, come and don't tie this thing. Amarachi.
I'm dancing to your tune.
Hi, God.
Please, you don't want to tell me what I want.
Okay. What do you want? What do you want?
Tell me about my mother now.
Okay. I will tell you.
Yeah, tell me.
Your mother used to be the love of my life.
Chai! I go love her.
My love, I love you so much. And I promise to take responsibilities of this pregnancy.
Ibekwe, I know you love me. But my parents will never allow me marry you. You don't have a reliable income. How would you be able to take care of my baby? And I don't...
God will make a way. Things will get better. Don't you believe? Please, don't do this.
Ibekwe, you will not understand. Hey, you don't have money. You're just an electrician in this village. How many people build houses in this village? How many times in a year do you get contract to wire people's homes? Because let me just abort this baby before people start noticing it. Let me abort the pregnancy.
My love, listen. Who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains favor from God. This is the Bible. There is a special gift God himself prepared for us when we finally get married. Please, do not abort this child. Let me come and see your people and know the procedure so I can get married to you. Listen, I know that if we get married, things will begin to get better. And we're going to obtain all those favors from God. Please do not abort this child. Please, this is our first issue. Do not terminate it. I'm begging you with the name of God. Please.
Ibeko, you will not understand though. I know who my parents are. They believe so much in me. On many occasions, my parents would tease me. They would tell me that I should make sure I marry a wealthy man so I can liberate them from poverty. They will never accept you. They will never.
So, are you going to terminate our unborn child? My love, what you're about to do is wrong. Please keep this baby. I'm begging you, Biko no. Obin Biko si no. Lapononwa.
Biko, let me go, I beg. This is not working.
Patricia, you need to think about it. I will get rich. Patricia! Hey! Where are your car?
What do I do now? I cannot keep this baby. Ibekwe can hardly feed himself. I mean, he still lives with his mom and she still provides for him. Ha! No. I cannot suffer all my life. I have suffered enough in my father's house. I need a sweet life, a soft life for me and my baby. I cannot bring forth an innocent child to join me in this miserable life. No. I have to abort it. But how do I get money for the abortion? I doubt Ibekwe can afford the money. Even if he has it, he will not give it to me, for he wants me to keep the baby. Hey! What do I do?
Patricia.
Mama.
Are you okay? You sure? You didn't even notice me.
Ibekwe.
Mama, you're not sleeping.
Huh? You're the one not sleeping. What are you doing seated here at the middle of the night, counting the ceilings up there? What is happening? Talk to me.
Oh, I'm fine.
You're fine. No, you're not fine. Talk to me, Ibekwe. What is it?
Mama, why won't I be bothered? Eh? No, look at me. Is this life? Where is my life heading to in this village? Eh? I can't even afford to do the things my mates are doing.
Ibekwe, my son. Take it easy on yourself, eh?
I can't afford to build a house of my own, my choice. I can't even renovate the one we're living in. This is the same house Papa left since he died. I can't even marry like my other mates. Ha! Too much.
Ibekwe. You see, it's right to think about your life, to ponder over your life. It is very right. But that you just see it and you're thinking, no. The best thing is to ask yourself, how do I change this? You prefer a solution to your predicament. For instance now, think about your friend, all your age group, age mates and like Ikenna and Chizoba. Go to them and seek help. Is it not better than just killing yourself? You look up, you lose sleep. That will not change anything. No? Ibekwe, I think it's better we think along. How do we provide a solution to all these problems? Then, as for getting married, of course, you've come of age to get married. But you don't have to have heaven and earth to be so rich, so buoyant. All you need is to get a girl that you love. And if you're sure she loves you back, then you go ahead and marry her. And that reminds me, what about that girl? What's her name again? Patricia. You're surprised? You thought I didn't know? You think I'm a fool? Ibekwe. What about Patricia?
She's pregnant for me.
Now. Wow. So my grandchild is on the way. I like that.
Mama, but she will not keep the child because I'm broke. She said I don't have money.
Tell her that nothing must happen to that baby. Nothing, she should not abort that baby. She should do nothing, no harm to that child. Don't worry. You and I, I'll tell Mazi Benji and others. We'll go and see her parents, oh?
Mama, you know I don't have money. Why do I go about it?
Ibekwe, don't worry. I'm your mother. Just get set. Start making preparations. We will go and see her parents. Is that clear? Okay. Why? I'll soon be a grandmother. Oh, God, thank you. Thank you. Cheer up. That's some good news you've just said, eh? Don't worry.
My love. Omaritam. My love, how are you? My love, what is the problem? Why are you frowning?
You asked that you want to see me. I am here now, so?
Okay, baby. I have some cheering news.
What cheering news? Do you have the money I will use to abort the baby? Because very soon it will be obvious. My mother will start noticing changes in my body.
My mother is in support that you keep the baby.
What?
Yes. She asked that we make necessary arrangements to come and meet your parents. That was what she said.
Ibekwe, you told your mother about this pregnancy? You're just an idiot. Hey! Wait. How many people knows about this? How many people have you told?
It's only my mother, nobody else. Just my mother.
You're just a complete idiot. You are a fool. Something that's supposed to be a secret between the two of us. Now a third party knows about it.
But she's my mother. She's not a dead party.
You are a fool. That's who you are. You are useless. You are foolish. Bia, I have been able to raise some money to remove this baby. And I am planning to go and remove it in the next Oko market day when my parents will not be around. Now a third party knows about this. If after a while now your mother does not see the pregnancy, she will understand that I have removed it. Only God knows how many people your mother must have told about this. What is wrong with you? Can't you keep your mouth shut? Are you not a man? Can't you keep little secrets? Please get out.
So, Nai, that's why I've come to see you.
Hi. So, her parents is not aware of the pregnancy?
She's too scared to tell them.
Hi. Ibekwe. Ibekwe. So, Ibekwe is sleeping with that beautiful girl.
Nai. Nai.
This is not the way to go about introduction. To make matters worse, her father is not yet informed. And I wouldn't want to involve myself in a disgraceful outing.
Nai. That's why I want us to go now. Please, let's go and see the parents now that the pregnancy is not yet noticeable. At least before people get to know that she's pregnant, you must have done the introduction. But in short, she would have become Ibekwe's wife, if possible.
When are we going then?
Nah, honestly, I came now so that you put the arrangement, but just hasten it, hasten everything. If we can go the next K market or, I don't know.
So this is true. So this is true. Finally. Hey! Patricia! Patricia, my daughter!
Papa.
Hi. Hey, my dear, is my food ready?
Let me get it.
Okay.
Patricia! Patricia, wait for me there. Hey, Nanyo!
Why are you screaming her name?
Hey!
Why are you screaming her name?
Nah, this girl has killed us! Eh?
What is it?
This girl here has finished us, Nai.
What happened?
Patricia is pregnant, oh!
What?
Patricia is pregnant.
Papa, I'm not pregnant.
Once again, Patricia, if you lie to me, I will curse you.
Pregnant for who?
Nai, do you know the most annoying part of it? She is pregnant for that useless and jobless flair boy that call himself Ibekwe.
Patricia, are you pregnant? Just say yes or no.
No.
Nani, she is pregnant. I was reliably informed by Bebeji's wife. She even said that very soon I will become their in-law. Mwah! Hi! Hey! Patricia,
this guy has sold us cheap.
Oh!
Patricia, woman,
Nani,
are you sure of what you're saying?
Nani, I'm sure. Nani, I'm sure.
I'm totally disappointed in you. Eh? Look, you must leave this compound. How could you allow that poor boy to get you pregnant? Eh? Are you not mature enough to take care of yourself? Look at you. Eh? So you want to bring shame upon this family. Am I the poor boy they are referring to?
It can't be you now.
Boy.
Are you a poor boy?
No.
Hey, it's not you now.
What
kind of thing is that one?
But I'm the one that got her pregnant. Look at that useless boy. Eh?
You're the one that got
man.
her, which means
Eh?
it is
You just open
you
your legs for him.
that are talking about.
Eh? To allow that bastard to pregnant you. Eh? He just called me a bastard.
Hey, it's obvious now. We know you're a bastard. It's a
Are you not
different
hearing
body,
me?
but that poverty side is what I don't like.
I said, leave this house. Don't papa me. Don't papa me. Nonsense. Leave this bag. Leave this bag.
Look at them.
What's Benjamin? Eh? What are you doing in my house?
Master Robinson, we are here to seek your daughter's hand in marriage. This is my brother's son.
What are people doing here?
You trying to seek my daughter's hand in marriage?
Yes.
Hey! So you have the infantry to show your face is here? Eh? Hey!
With this poor boy. Look at it. Look at poor yam. With poor drink. Poor palm wine. What an insult to Mazi Benjamin. This jobless man, this poor boy will never marry my daughter.
Hi!
With due respect. Take these useless items and this poor boy out of my compound.
Ngwa.
Now.
Leave your house.
You people should leave my compound. No, wait, my friend is not jobless, so he's an electrician.
Go now! Patricia, come inside.
My friend is...
Mr. Benjamin, take this boy out of my compound.
My friend is an
electrician. You should go now.
Uncle Benji. Walk with. Let us go.
Let's
go. My friend is not jobless.
Let us go.
You are back. You are back.
Hey.
You are back.
Patricia, come back, please. My
friend is not jobless.
Hey.
He's an electrician.
My daughter, stop crying. Oh, please. Please stop crying. You have to come inside. It's late and besides it's cold outside here. Please come in and eat. Bathe and you will sleep, oh?
Mama, I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry, but you need food for you and the baby. You know you are expecting. Besides, if the Kwe have refused eating anything until you come in and eat yourself. Please. Oh, stop crying. Oh, please, I beg of you. Oh, please.
Obi, how are you?
I'm fine. This one you are rushing as if you have somewhere important to go to. Ogini Neme.
My love, I want to go and see Chief Ejiofor. His house has reached wiring stage. So I want to quickly go and see him before he gives the contract to someone else. You know how this business is being done. Delay is dangerous. So let me go and see him.
Okay.
And how is my baby doing? Kick him! My baby is kicking very well. I'm very happy about it.
What are you trying to do? You want to kiss me?
Yes, now. I need a quick kiss from you before going out. Is it not how it's been done? Wives give their husbands a goodbye kiss before leaving in the morning. And when they return from work, they welcome their husband with an open arms and a welcome kiss as well.
Bia, let me ask you. What provision have you made for my baby and I to eat this morning? Did you leave any cash?
Now, you are my unborn child, won't be eating money. You won't eat money. I left apple and the smaller crop soup from yesterday. It's still there. So you can just eat.
Apple?
Yes.
An okra soup that will be eaten since 1 week.
My lord, that soup has not lost its taste though. Ofa akanokwanoko is still on point too. I would have eaten it before going out, but you and my unborn child are more important to me. So I'd rather go out empty stomach. My lord, okay, you know what? I will buy you some mouth-watering and yummy things while I'm coming back. Okay? I know you crave them a lot. But for now, let me just run along. Yeah? Nugo, Obim, my love, won't you kiss me?
Because him ni rupo.
It's okay, I understand. Pregnant women, they're always angry. I don't know. Doing them somehow. But it's okay. I will soon be back.
Hi. Patricia, you don't suffer. What have I put myself into? kind of poverty is this? My mates are eating toasted bread. Fresh, soft, thick bread. Fried egg. Thick tea that when you bend it, it will not pour. I am here eating akpu with tasteless watery soup for 1 week now. Hi! Patricia, you don't suffer. This is not what I bargained for. Akpu.
What I don't understand is why your face is like this. Eh? Ibekwe, share up. I've been saying things to make you happy. You are just like this. What is it now? Eh? Okay, fine. Let them bring beer. I have money for us to drink.
How can I cheer up? Huh? How can I cheer up when I have a pregnant wife at home? I've been out all day, running around, getting quotations, making estimates for the wiring of Chief's house. Okay. And thinking by the end of the day he will give me something, so I can at least buy my wife something mouth-watering. But nothing.
Tomorrow is another day. Your wife will not die. Eh? Tomorrow is another day. You're not retired. Eh? Is that why you want to kill yourself?
That chief, he's very stingy. It's very... Why be say people will get plenty money? They don't always allow the ones we no get. Maybe they suffer. I go get plenty money. I go come and allow my friend. Okay, now, for instance, now I be big man now. We get plenty money. You now a poor man where you be normally. I go come there allow you make they suffer. You know good now. I no fit do that kind of thing. Okay. Chief, he could not even give me something. Ordinary 5K in kitty. He could not. That man is very stingy guy. You don't get what you want to tell me.
Ibekwe, I will forgive you. I will forgive, because today is not the very first day you are insulting me. You have been doing it for a long time. So, yes, you're my friend.
Chan is insulting again.
Are you
not a poor man?
Huh? This is not even what we're talking about, because I want you to be happy. Ibekwe, listen, let me ask you one question. Did you ask Chief for something small and he didn't give you?
Do I need to tell him? He knows what to do.
That's the problem.
He saw me kolo. He knows that I don't have anything. Shish na mejuro. Now my top, nothing is with me. He knows. I was looking very frustrated now.
It is written all over you.
But the sun was on top of my head, in fact.
Ibekwe. But one thing you should know is that rich men are always like that.
Why?
Some of them, I don't understand. But you don't have to kill yourself. You don't have to kill yourself.
Oh. My concern now is my pregnant wife. I need to buy her something mouth-watering.
All this mouth-watering, what exactly did she ask for? Let me understand, because you have been saying mouth-watering.
She did not specify. But I think of buying her barbecue, shawarma, all those kind of, like something she can chew. She's pregnant. I'm not joking now. I'm not joking.
Hi! I'm not talking. He said she did not specify. No problem. You are even lucky she did not specify. Don't worry, I will help you out.
What can you do?
Cool down. See, let me find a solution to this whole problem, because for now it is obvious that you are confused. Take. Yes, we go take. That is 500 naira.
What is this one?
I will show you what 500 can do.
What mouth-watering can 500 naira buy? My friend, I'm not talking about 500 naira here. Just take this nonsense money. What can 500 naira buy barbecue?
You are starting again, though. You are making that face again that will make me live there for you. Your anger is always like this. Please calm down. This 500 naira can buy things. But the thing is that you are going high. You're saying barbecue. All those this shawarma. Ibekwe, relax, forget those ones. I will tell you what this money can buy for your wife. Local mouth-watering things. You understand? You can cool down. Let us drink. Yeah, Oga? Oga?
Welcome.
Don't you have light? I saw light everywhere as I was coming back. Oh.
Nepa don't cut him.
The Nepa, must you people show yourself? Hi. And you are sweating. Eh? Hi. Oh. Where is Mama?
Mama has gone to bed. Me, I would have gone to bed, oh. But I was waiting for you to bring the mouth-watering yummy you said you were going to buy for me. I am craving already.
My love, I got your back. Eh? I got you something.
Now you are behaving like a good husband. Hmm? Now you can demand for the welcome kiss. Chiruno. Let me finish eating first. This thing smells nice, oh.
Very nice.
And it's very hot.
Still very hot.
Wow.
I knew you would like it.
Chidukwa, what is this? Akara and bread?
Hot akara and bread. Local sandwich. Freshly out from the oven. You would like it. It's really mouth-watering.
Mouth-watering, go get here. I said it, oh. I said, let me abort this baby, but you refused. I said, you don't know what it means to be a father. You don't have what it takes. You quickly schemed your way and stopped me from aborting the child. Now you're showing me sugar in this house since morning. I am not eating.
But I'm trying my best.
Try your best, my foot. You think it's all about having big pony between your legs? That doesn't mean you're a man. Nonsense. I better get me pass.
Come on, it's still hot too. The combination is very nice. You will like it. Eh? This girl don't even know that I've not eaten since morning, and she's throwing away this hot akara bread I bought for her. Anyways, and now let me eat it.
So you actually want to eat it?
I thought you said you don't want it.
Can't you see that you're not romantic?
Hi.
Eh? Instead of you to bring this food to me and beg me to eat it, you want to eat it. If I don't come out now, you would have finished everything. While I'll be inside waiting for you to bring it to me.
My love, you said
you are a useless person. You're a very useless man. Eh? You are foolish. I don't blame you. I don't blame you at all. It's your mother that did not train you well that I blame. Useless human being.
I be common person, but my happiness is still my own. I need to wash my clothes.
Did you bring everything?
Yes, I did.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But I cannot find my green top and my pink undies.
I washed those ones already. I sprayed them at the backyard.
Hurry up, oh, because I'm hungry.
You're hungry? Let me suspend the washing and make something for you.
And make what?
Food.
Biko, I don't want anyhow food, oh. I want fried rice and chicken with fresh salad and chilled yogurt from that fast food uptown.
Eh?
Yes, oh. Find a way and get it for me. That's what I want.
Fried rice and chicken?
That's what my baby said we are going to eat. And be fast about it.
Fried rice and chicken? But my love, all those foods are expensive now. Those foods... man, I'm be go the fried rice and chicken.
Inokwa. This girl is definitely bigger than my son can handle. Hey! So because she's pregnant, she can't do any house chores any longer. I remember when I was pregnant, I go to the farm, I go to the stream, I do virtually everything. Is she pregnant in her hands and in her legs, for crying out loud? Hey! Ibekwe mwame tokwa. Inukwa! Hey! Ibekwe na aswakwa. Why? Kaya manage ni isi we kutana bikon. Hey! Chineke zawakwa mo. Wow. Ome. Ano taronse?
Ah.
I was actually coming from your place. I've been looking for you. Hey, I knew if I don't see you in your house, the next place you'll be is at Madam Original's bar.
Wait. Why are you looking for me as if I'm a client? Is everything all right?
Wakwe, I need your help.
This on your face is like this. I hope it's not about money, because if it is about money, I don't have.
Wakwe, I need urgent 2K. It's very important.
Didn't I just say
it's urgent, please.
Wait. It's either you're not hearing me, or maybe something is blocking that ear. On the making I say I don't have.
Wakwe, I will give you within the week. On Friday, I will pay you back with interest. Just give me the money. It's very urgent.
Now I know you're confused. I don't have.
You don't have?
Yes.
Okay, Wakwe, where are you going to?
I actually want to go for evening mass, but I will divert from Madam Original's bar.
You are going for evening mass. It's only I'm in need of help. You want to go and drink?
I didn't
Give
say
me
that.
this money now.
Don't misunderstand me. I didn't say I was going to drink. You understand? So I don't have. Let me just. I don't get. I don't. If I have, nothing will make me not give you. See, you're my friend. I don't have.
Oh wow! Well, give me this.
I don't. Wait now. Wait. No, now. Stop.
Hey! Foba!
Ibekwe.
What could I be this one and say you don't get money? Well, I was actually looking for urgent 2K. But now I have more than that. God bless you.
No, she make her tell you, that money I stole that. Sorry, I collected that money from my mother's purse. I want to go and pay Madam Original for the old one I'm owing her so that she can give me a new one. You know how important it is for me to drink. Please.
You stole the money from your mother's purse. Okay, I snatched it from your pocket. You understand me? I will give you back. Don't worry, just give me time. It's urgent 2K that I asked you, but you didn't give me. I have 4,000 naira now. I will use it and go and sort my problem.
Oh, okay, Ibekwe, please. It is 4,000. You said you needed 2K. Please take the 2K and give me 2 back so that I can go and compensate to Origin. Ibekwe. Ibenem. Hi. Ibekwe, please. Ikwenle. Please.
This is how it should be. I should be treated like a queen. Very soon I'll have my baby. I want my baby to look like Ajay. I don't want my baby to look like Paco, even if I know that the father is Paco. This is the kind of food me and my baby should be eating all the time. Ogini, so you're looking at me like this. Don't beg for this chicken, oh, because it will not be enough for me and my baby. Ask Ibekwe, your son, to buy for you.
Mom, Pama, you deliver the Messiah. So good, the Warini.
I'm picking a Messiah. So far, no good.
Push! Let me go and see them.
Can't go in there.
Go and see my wife at least.
Allow the doctor and the nurse to do their job. Please, just wait. Come, put yourself.
Patricia! Patricia!
Hospital, stop. Allow the doctor.
No, let me check on my wife. Can't I go inside?
Please. Allow them to do their job.
Sorry. I'm sorry. It was a mistake. But I can't hear their voice. I can't hear my wife's voice. What is happening? What do you mean I should... Patricia! Patricia! Allow me to see my wife now. Why can't you allow me to see my wife? I can't hear her voice and you're telling me to be patient. Doctor, how far, my wife? I can't hear her voice. Is everything okay?
Congratulations, Mr.
Doctor, stop smiling. What is going on?
You're now a father of a bouncing baby girl.
Hey, Jesus!
You see, you're a very lucky man. Both your wife and the baby are in good health.
Thank you, Jesus! Oh, Jesus! Oh, yes. Bouncing baby girl! Oh. Let me go and see my wife now. And my bouncing baby girl.
Yeah, you see, that is fine. You will go and see them. You have to see the cashier, make payments, then you can live with your family.
Doctor, no need the age, member.
Oh, that's
good. We can have it cash.
Good.
How much is it?
40,000 naira.
40,000! Yes. Doctor, please, what I have is 5,000. What? 5,000 naira. Please, help me.
You mean you don't have money to pay for your wife's hospital bill?
Doctor, it's not like that. It's just that there is no money on ground now. If it's I'm only an electrician, wire, and there is no job this period. Just manage with me. Please, manage it. Okay, you know what? I'll be paying you instrumentally. Please. Doctor.
You see, I used to think of you as a very serious person, but it's obvious you are not. See, Mr. Ibekwe, I have some serious patients to attend to in this hospital. When you come with the money to pay for your wife's hospital bill, I can attend to you, but for now, excuse me.
Doctor, please, now I said
can you imagine?
Instrumentally. Okay,
rubbish.
This is my first shoe. Doctor, please now, please. Hey! 40,000 naira, mama. Oh, where do I get this started? Oh God, what is all this? Oh, hey, Ibekwe.
Ibekwe. Ha! Ibekwe, thinking does not solve problems. Rather, they attract more problems to you. Eh? Nekwa gine hypertension. Jiri enwayo.
Mama, this is exactly 4 days now.
4 good days that my wife successfully gave birth to a bouncing baby girl. But look at it now. No money to pay for her bills. No money to pay for her bills now. And every night she spends in that hospital, her bills keeps increasing. Onye tarega can get you 5 naira, 20 naira. Where will I get money from?
Ibekwe, go and make money. Go out there and hustle like your mates and make money. And go and bring out your wife and baby from the hospital. Who do you expect to do that? You're a man. You're not sitting down here and nagging. Who are you nagging at? You are a man, a father at that. Act it.
And she can make money. Mama, were you not the one that encouraged me to bring her home? That you are here, that I should not fear? Now, where are you? You are nowhere to be found.
Hey! So, it's now a blame game. You are now blaming me. Eh? Okay. I forced you to bring her home. I also forced your koboko into her account that got her pregnant. Amorogonya, go out there. Look at what you kept here.
I was not ready to get married though. Elube Komoge no I push him. You were the one that pushed me. Oh, wow. You better search this your go to your purse and bring money. Let's go and pay for the hospital bills. I don't do it alone because you were the one that pushed me. Elube Komoge no why?
Tata. Ibekwe tata. Hey, bianwara. Amorogonya.
Elube Komoge no why?
Hey, Irube.
It's not by age, oh. I'm not by age. This marriage thing is not by age, it's by money, whether you like it or not. Me when I go, if you don't have money, even if you are 80 years old and you don't have money to get married, you are not old man enough. That is it.
Ibekwe bawambo kunie goru nekeni hide whatever. When you see men that hustle with dedication and determination, you get from 0 level to the top level. From nothing to something. All it takes is hard work and dedication. Not sitting back here and nagging. Who are you nagging at?
You pushed me into this marriage, into this sudden marriage. You were the one that pushed me. Onye
towari ime omo? Onye towari ime? Na jugo onye towari ime. Bia toro no na ekwu akwa. Na ego torowa. Ego juru ni ya.
Stop. It's okay. Mama. Hey, my brother. Hey,
What is this? What is this now?
Please, just manage it. Okay, I don't have any other money with me, please.
Manage Guinea. Your money is 700. You're not saying manage Guinea.
I know, my brother, I know, but for my wife just gave birth, and I've spent all my money at the hospital. Just manage it, please.
I cannot manage this money. Your wife gave birth. You know how many of my girlfriends don't give birth?
I
know. Your wife gave birth.
I know. Please, just manage it.
If you reach where they buy baby food, tell them send your wife back again. Maybe they command the money for you.
Let me go and see my wife.
It's kind of bad market to be this one now.
You're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. What kind of thing is this one?
There is food in the house. Manage it.
Which nonsense food? Which stupid food? I'm a nursing mother. My mates are eating good food, nutritious food. I'm eating nonsense.
Unyembiko, please, I'm begging you.
Let me go out. If I don't go out now, tomorrow will be worse.
Who pay? All the time you've been going out, what do you have to show for it? Nothing.
Please, let me just go out. Eh? Thank God we have Gary in the house. He can just manage it.
Gary walk it there. Gary kill you there. Useless man. Eh? How can you comfortably leave the house without giving us food? Eh? You want us to starve? Is that your plan? You don't have which money? Every time you don't have money. Do you ever have money? Please give me money, I beg. Ah? Why can't you just be a man for once?
I don't have any money with me.
Yeah.
How can you comfortably leave the house without dropping money? Who does that?
What is it again? Eh? What is it? Eh? What is
Mama,
it?
he wants to leave the house without dropping money for us.
Let him go. Just let him go. Let him attend to his business.
Mama, no. I will not let him go. Ogini.
Hey, let me go out and look for money.
My wife,
Please,
let him go. Don't worry.
Biko.
Please, let him go. I came back. I have some food stuff. Is that not your baby crying? Go and attend to the baby now. Oh?
Mama, Ibekwe!
Come.
Ibekwe! Mama, see, you have made him escape now.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I came back.
No, he should be a man and up his game like his mates. How can he comfortably leave the house without dropping money for us? I'm starving. I'm hungry.
Don't say that. So long as God lives, nobody starves in this house. Oh, don't worry. I came back with some food items. Oh, attend to the baby. I'll prepare food for you. Hi. Yeah. Why are you crying? Eh? And your baby is also crying. Talk to me. What is it? Eh? Nemo, talk to me. Eh? What is it? You should stop crying and take care of your baby. What happened? Talk to me.
Mama, Ibekwe is starving me in this house. Ibekwe is starving me. I'm a nursing mother. My mates are eating nutritious food. Look at the kind of food Ibekwe is giving to me, Akamu. When he knows I'm breastfeeding the baby and she will suck me dry. Ibekwe is giving me Akamu. My mates are eating upe and salad, fresh pepper soup with rich tea. I'm here taking Akamu. My mates are taking nutritious food. Ibekwe gave me Akamu. I'm here suffering. How long will I continue to suffer like this, Mama? Mama, how long?
It's okay. Stop crying. Stop crying. Let me go in and prepare you something to eat. Oh? Stop crying. Take care of the baby. I'm coming. Oh? Let me get your food ready. Oh, one. Oh? Oh? Ndo? Ndo? Patricia. Patricia! How come she just left the baby here? Nemo. Nemo. Get it? Patricia. Where's your mama? Patricia. Where's Patricia?
But
She's... Patricia! Patricia!
Check the bedroom, maybe she wants.
why would she leave this baby here now? Eh? Patricia!
Mama.
Patricia!
Maggie. Where's your mother? Mama.
Mama?
Is she not there?
Patricia is not inside though.
Patricia!
Wow. Patricia!
Patricia! Patricia!
Hey, Mama?
Eh?
Patricia is not in this compound though.
Oh.
Why would she
Patricia!
That was how your mother abandoned you after 6 months. She vanished just like that till this very day. Rumor has it that she traveled to the city to look for a better life. Some said she traveled abroad, while some said she died. Yes. And this is why I don't like talking about her. Each time I remember all these things, it makes me feel bad. Eh? Please, my daughter, come and untie me.
So, how will I know this thing you're saying now?
Amarachi, I am telling you the truth. Eh?
Huh? Amarachi?
Okay. Sorry. Perpetua, my daughter, please come and untie me. Eh? You go. Eh? Perpetua.
I need to verify something first. And I like the way you're calling me Perpetua. That means we're heading somewhere.
Perpetua, where are you going? Perpetua, come and untie me now. I already told you everything. Perpetua! My daughter, please now. Don't leave me here. I am your father. Eh? Perpetua! 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 Hey! Hey! What kind of... I can't even move. Eh?
Hey. Hey. How could you do this to me? You know I'm the one that always saved you from your father's wrath. Why, my granddaughter?
I know you was very hungry right now.
Yes. Yes, my daughter. Very hungry. You know I'm old. I need to eat food and take my medications. Please, I beg of you, untie me. Oh, Mom. Hey.
It's true. It's true. But before I untie you, you need to tell me the truth. You need to tell me everything I need to know. Yes.
Okay.
My father just told me a story about my mother. And I don't believe him. So I want you to elaborate, expatiate more about the story. And if your story doesn't correspond with his, two of you will be in hell in hot pepper soup.
Hey.
So before you talk, you think well. You think carefully. Understood?
Oh, wow.
Yes. So I'm coming now. If I come back, you tell me everything I need to know.
But where are you going to?
I want to buy something.
Hey.
I'm coming now.
Come, let me tell you before you go.
Think well before I eat. Tell me.
Help. Please come and untie me. Help. Chimo. Can you even see the Hey.
number one. Amarachi Pepe Chua.
I'll prove to them what I can do. Let me know if they cannot cooperate. Why is the place so deserted like this? Huh? Nobody around. Is he running away or what? Ibekwe!
I'm here.
Ibekwe!
Can you hear me?
Ha! This man. You don't know me, oh. Ibekwe!
Mazoja, come here. Can you hear me?
Ibekwe!
I'm inside.
You are inside?
Yes.
You are trying my patience, oh. You know you are trying my patience. You want to know what I can do, eh? Ibekwe, you want to know what I can do. Ibekwe, come out here. Oh, you and your mother are there. Both you and your mother are hiding there.
Can you hear us? Come in, please.
Okay, let me come down and see you. Let me come down and meet you.
Please.
The door is locked. So you are locking yourself in there, eh?
No, please.
Ibekwe, you are locking yourself in.
Please come in and rescue us.
Rescue?
Yes. Please.
Help.
Come.
We are tied up.
We need help.
By who?
Please. Go through the back door.
Who is holding you?
Hey.
Who tied you?
Oh, Jacob, please come and help us.
You want me to come in there without knowing what is holding you? I don't want anything to happen to me. Oh.
Go through the back door, please. Come and rescue us.
Ah.
Yes.
Okay. Let me. Hey, but I'm afraid though. I don't want anything.
If you want trouble now, oh yeah, call Amarachi. Amarachi go again, and they go deal with you. But if you want make them happy, call
Oh, this one no be here. Hey, you see, awa. Hey, Pepe. Perpetua. How you doing now? What's this up?
Adio, my papa. My father has finally obeyed.
Hey! Ha! He enter.
Everything is working according to plan.
You see, I told you they must obey.
After you, now you.
Perpetua.
No any other Pepe. Chua, Abi.
Pepe.
I get Abi.
You get her. You get
this
her.
one.
Perpetua dianyima. Ah, Pepe, darling. Thank you.
No other papi.
No be
the rest now.
No they change. Pepe. In fact, call me Pepe.
You know say this your name hard to
Pepe. Just say Pepe.
Pepe. After Pepe, every other Pepe na Kanta. Abi.
Na so.
Later. Oh, this our money.
Thank you, Perpetua.
You so sweet me.
Hey.
How much?
Wait, now maybe they go. We go share am for it.
You say waiting. How much they share money for you? They just say wait.
But your body too dey hot.
Mommy, I like money. No reason am.
Take.
Wait first. How much did they?
Which one be your own? Na the same thing. Na the same thing. You know say you know sabi book. Na the same.
You say no.
Make we dey go. You don't.
So we don't dey do book for here now.
Jai, mekwanu obelensi na-emebi ife. Jai, ọchịcha melife bloke o. She be troublemaker number one. Amarachi Pepe Chua. Obelensi na-emebi ife no. Isi one na everyday trouble. If she no find trouble go find and come. Now which kind pikin no be this year? Joy, if you want trouble now, oh yeah, call Amarachi. Amarachi go again, and they go deal with you. But if you want make them happy, call them Pepe Chua. Everything is sentiment there. Joy, if you want make trouble, oh yeah, call Amarachi. Amarachi go and they go show you better. But if you want peace to run, call on Pepe Chua. Everything is agreement there. She be troublemaker number one. Amarachi Perpetua. Obelence in a maybe feno. This is one na every day trouble. If she no find trouble, trouble go find and come. Now which can begin to this year? Joy, if you want trouble, oh yeah, call Amarachi. Amarachi go and they go deal with you. But if you want make them happy, call them Perpetua. Everything goes sentiment there. If you want make trouble, oh yeah, call Amarachi. Amarachi go and they go show you Pepe. But if you want peace to run, call them Perpetua. Everything goes sentiment there.